Mura gihapon. Nakita na ba ta? Nakita na ta, no? Tumigi si Mana, no? Oo, balik. Kadagkasal, kita na ta may bindihan eh. Perform lagi ta ni, announcer po ko. Mga ganyan itong papel. Sige, itong tanaw, kini usan ka, interpreter na dance. Para sa ila. Naboy. Okay, atong tanaw ng sikali corrigation sa ilang pagpalabas. No? Kung tanaw niyo ang seleksyon nga makuha na to sa ilang ipalabas. Kurang mabuto, maduro. Tag-timer mo, kuyo, tag-timer. Atong palakpakan, may isa o, ng taga-sikaling corrigation.
Forever darkening, and the sign so very clear. We must keep our sense of urgency as the end is drawing near. We will seize this opportunity to declare Jehovah's name and the blessings of His kingdom. The message we'll proclaim. Now is the time for preaching the zeal. We'll never give up or give way to fear. And now is the time to show how we feel. Now that the final days are here, there will never be another time for this preaching to be done. So we want to have a pioneer and reach out to everyone. When we look back in some future time at these days in which we live, then we'll say that for Jehovah we gave all that we could give. Now is the time for preaching with zeal. We'll never give up or give way to fear. And now is the time to show what we feel. Now that the final days are here. With our lions surrounding us, we will run with all our might. Then we turn the final corner, and the new world is in sight. Now is the time for preaching with zeal. We'll never give up or give way to fear. And now is the time to show how we feel.